What's the matter? Lula? What's the matter? You want to go for a walk? You just went the wrong direction. She wants to go for a walk? Yeah? Let's go for a walk. Just a really pretty day today. Especially considering how dreary it was yesterday. So me and Lula are going to hit the woods. Hopefully we don't see a bear this time. I mean, I wouldn't mind to see one from far away. But he was way too close for comfort last time. With Lula in tow. Lula, what you doing? Want to go for a walk? Woods are just absolutely filling up with brush. All the undergrowth is growing. It kind of makes it hard to see where you're going. Like, am I gonna find my way back? So I don't have a path. I just go. My mom's friends came with us last time we went in the woods, and they are not used to that way of doing things. It's kind of fun showing them the ropes. Boy, that's usually not there. That's how much it's rained. There's a little creek right there. Well, we're gonna run out of time for this to be considered a short, so I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.